Hello guys, I am going to show you how Yesware helps improve email connect rate and why you should use Yesware in 2024. Use the link in the description to try Yesware for free. Yesware is a sales engagement platform that offers a variety of tools designed to help sales professionals streamline their outreach efforts and improve their email connect rates. Here's how Yesware can help improve email connect rates. Email tracking. Yesware allows users to track their emails, providing insights into when emails are opened, how many times they are opened, and whether any links or attachments are clicked. This information helps sales professionals gauge the effectiveness of their email outreach and follow up at the most opportune times. Template creation and personalization. Yesware enables users to create email templates for common outreach scenarios. These templates can be personalized with recipient-specific details to make each email feel more tailored and relevant, thereby increasing the likelihood of engagement. Automated follow-ups. With Yesware, users can set up automated follow-up sequences for emails that haven't received a response. CRM integration. Yesware integrates seamlessly with popular customer relationship management (CRM) platforms like Salesforce, allowing sales professionals to sync email activity directly with their CRM records. This ensures that all email communications are logged and tracked within the CRM system. Yesware provides analytics and reporting features that allow users to gain insights into their email outreach performance. Sales professionals can analyze metrics such as open rates, response rates, and engagement trends to identify areas for improvement and optimize their email strategies accordingly. Email scheduling. Yesware enables users to schedule emails to be sent at specific times, even if they're composed outside of traditional working hours. This feature ensures that emails are delivered when recipients are most likely to be active and attentive. Overall, Yesware empowers sales professionals with tools and insights to effectively manage their email outreach efforts, personalize communications, and optimize engagement, ultimately leading to improved email connect rates and enhanced sales effectiveness.